So Angie, was it worth the trip from Michigan?
Absolutely.
What are you taking back to Michigan to your people, and how are you going to explain to them how you spent these past 2 days when you get back?
I'm gonna show them better than I can tell them. So my business has been a long time coming, but I've been pretty much trying to do it all by myself. And so one thing I got out of this is that you can't do it by yourself. You have to have people to do the things that you don't know how to do. And that's kind of why it's been so long coming, because I've been trying to do it myself. So the next step for me in my business that I've gotten from this is I need to find people who know how to do the things that I don't know how to do in order to move my business to where it needs to be.
Right. Very, very key point. So we have inside information that Dr. GreeneBarr is your mentor. What's the importance of mentorship in your journey?
A very huge part. So even she's been encouraging me for years, probably 15, 12, lots of years. But I know that when I need advice on something, especially with my business or with ministry or anything like that, I can call her and say, hey, this, that, or the third. And also sometimes when I don't call her, she'll call me and say, hey, the Lord told me this, or hey, I saw that. And it helps me to move from where I am to where I'm going, whether in business or in life or in all of that. But it's to have somebody who you know has your best interest at heart and who will always tell you the truth about what they see or what the Lord has spoken to them about you. So that's the blessing of having a mentor.
That's very, very pertinent, very key information. So if you had to sum up the day in 2 words, what would they be?
I do one: enlightening. Because for me, and from the conversations that I've had with other people or the conversations that I've heard other people having, this has given everybody something to take them from where they are to where they're trying to go. There's nobody who was in this room today that's going to leave here and say, well, I didn't get nothing out of this. And I can tell that just from the conversations and the people that I've talked to and heard. So, yeah. It's been enlightening for everyone who was here. We're so grateful for this.
Including me. I learned a lot myself today, too.
See, that tells you. Even the presenters and everyone. The sound guy, the light guys, they weren't even necessarily part of it, but being in the room, they still got the information. So it was a blessing to everyone.
Thank you, Angel.
Thank you.
Great job.